it. I'll be using some basmati rice for this recipe, not regular rice. You want to use basmati. So now I'm getting ready to wash my rice. Once I get it washed, I'm gonna leave some water in and I'm gonna soak it for about 20 minutes. Now that my rice is soaking, I'm going to prepare for my chicken so that I can marinate my chicken. This recipe called for boneless chicken thighs, but I have bone-in chicken thighs, and this is going to be for another video, but I'm going to show you in this video. I found it cheaper to go ahead and buy some chicken thighs with the bone in. So I'm going to show you how to get the bone out of a chicken thigh. Take your sharp knife, and you want to ride the side of the chicken bone, just like that. And you want to come to the other side, and you want to ride the other side of the chicken bone. Take your knife, and you want to come up under it and hold it, and you're going to come up like that, and then you're going to take the top part and you're going to come up with it just like that. If you got some little extra meat on it, just take it and cut it off, okay? Here we go again. Ride the side of that bone just like that. And you're gonna ride the other side. And you can use a smaller knife. You don't have to use a big knife. But I'm using, I should have had a smaller one. Up like that. And then you're gonna come up like that. And that's it. And that's all it is to taking the bone out. Now that I've taken the bone out, I'm just going to slice my chicken into bite-sized pieces. That's it. Just bite-sized pieces. Or whatever size you'd like. So now that I have my chicken all chopped up, I'm going to go ahead and marinate it. I'm going to be using some plain yogurt, not flavored, but plain yogurt. Get all of that in there. And my spices, I'll be using some salt, some turmeric, some chili powder, and some garam masala. And just take my hand and get that all mixed up. And gonna let this marinate for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to slice my onion. I'm going to make thin slices, and I'm going to make little moon shape. cut them in half. Now I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of ghee butter and saute my onions until they are crispy brown. Why ghee butter? Because it has a high smoke point. Get the onion sauteed. Once the onions have turned dark brown, like this, you want to go ahead and remove them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove them. And I'm going to leave just a little inside the pot. And I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic paste. And some ginger paste. Now I'm going to start searing my chicken pieces. You don't want to overcrowd your pot, so just a little at a time. Now that my chicken has seared, I'm going to add a few of these onions back in here. And I'm going to go ahead and add the rice on top of the chicken. Just evenly add the rice on top of the chicken. I have my stove turned down low. And I'm gonna go ahead and easily pour my broth into the pot. And once I get the broth in the pot, I'm gonna cover it. It's on low, and I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna let it cook on low for about 15 to 18 minutes without disturbing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a patty cakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.